What's good, y'all? It finally came. It's in the building. It's in the building. Yes. Yes. I can't wait to get inside you. Let's go ahead and get into this joint real quick. I'm gonna just step back and look at it. That's how you do when you just step back and admire your beautiful woman. That's how you do it. You just step back this way. Why you look so good? You just look so good. Mm. You just want to touch that thing. Ooh. Boy, look, how your box come with a drawer? Oh my lord, Joe. Look at this. Look at this. Girl, you just doing it, ain't you? Boy, you got your instructions. I see you. You got your cable, I see you. What is this little box right here? Ooh. Ooh. 1, 2. That's how y'all coming? Not only do you get the brick, but you get 2 ports. Boy, only gotta bring 1 brick when I travel. And it's good. And it works here. Fat though. You better have some strong outlet because this joint every time. And what is this? Hip. I appreciate the gesture. I really do. I'm gonna step back, y'all. I'm back here like, you got your little tab right here. Put that joint up off of there. Boy, it's got a sleeve on it. That camera poking out. I'm already got fingerprints all over. Yes. Yes. It's been a minute since I held a foldable in this form factor. Yes. I don't even want to. Look at that. Hold on. Let me set this down for a second. I gotta sit back and admire this. Admire that thing. That thing. That's a killer right there. That'll get you jammed up right there. All right, y'all. So let's get a closer look at this unboxing. So look, man, you got, bro. How they got a nice little suede right here around the side. Super elegant. All the boxes got like a leatherish texture to them, which is pretty dope. Not that it matters, but instructions. Let's see what we got up in here. Got a card. I'm throwing this in my wallet just to be that dude. Some injection tool. Cool. Got your cable. Now this cable extra thick. Look at this. This cable thick. Can I open this without? Let's see. Look how thick this joint is. This is probably the thickest phone cable I've seen. Good quality. I know it's good quality. So, super thick brick. Wow. What's that? We got 1 and 2 ports. You charging 2 devices at once with one brick. That's what's up. I ain't seen headphones in a box in a minute. That's what's up. That's what's up. I'm with it. Anything else up in this joint? If I pull the drawer all the way out, we got anything inside the? Nope. But yeah, man, this unboxing, bro. I ain't gonna try it. This is how you're supposed to do it. All right, that's how you're supposed to do it. this how you giving it up. Apple, all y'all are here taxing for these phones. Man, they giving us thicker chargers and y'all still giving us them thin boys. Man, come on, step it up.